welcome back to another video. So it is Saturday. Now tomorrow is the new track day, Sunday. ACO is saying that they're going for it. It's going to be open, so we're pretty excited. And what makes us more excited is I was able to find a rear end for the Suburban. So luckily we got it in here. We just yanked the differential out of it, and here that is on the table here, the toolbox, and it looks good. 410, which is what I need. I'm pretty excited to back the Suburban in here and swap that over, and then hopefully we could pull the EG to the track tomorrow with the Suburban. So we're gonna get this out, get the Suburban in, and start taking it apart, and yeah, get you guys there. Here we are, guys. So got it out. Didn't really film it coming out, just kind of cracking on it. But this is the broken one. There is a spider gear in there that is missing a few teeth, and those teeth are lying there in the old cover. We're going to use the cover that came with the other rear that I had bought, so that'll be a little more efficient. But yeah, that's the good one, and I just got it out, so I figured I'd film it going back in, but somebody will laugh because I've never done this before, so it's a first for me. So I'm learning as I go here. That's pretty simple. Get you some light. But yeah, there's still some chunks down in there, so I was gonna try to clean that out. Just gotta drag it out, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing all cleaned up. Oh yeah, that's oh yeah, the carnage. Just lots of pieces. But yeah, we're gonna get that all cleaned up, and then we're gonna start putting the new differential on this thing, and I'll have the camera rolling for you guys. Well, there you have it, guys. First time rear rebuild for me, and I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, it's not like a rear rebuild, but yeah, putting a differential in this rear housing. All right, there you go, get technical. But yeah, first one, hopefully it works. Seems good to me. That's the way it worked when it came out, so we're gonna get the rest of this cleaned up, buttoned up, go get some silicone and stuff we're gonna need, and then go from there. See you guys soon. Looking pretty fancy. Get that all siliconed up. I got one set of the brakes back together, and I got to do the other side. Sorry for the noise of the heater, I know it's annoying. But yeah, just gonna try to throw this back together real quick. Be on our business. On with our business, I should say. Alright, see ya. Let's do it. Alright guys, so the Suburban is up and running. And we filled the rear with fluid. And we're gonna take it for its first drive and see if it clunks and clangs or does it ride like it's supposed to. We'll find out. I want to do a burnout so bad. I want to do a burnout. See how long
You want?
smoke the whole driveway out.
You can't see nothing.
I figured we'd see the road, I guess. It just now it's making noise. She's back.
It's probably leaking a lot of oil behind us. That's alright. I can't feel no difference.
In the rear, you mean?
Yeah.
Right. Like it's good.
Right.
No clicking, clanking, clunking, and shaking. And oh, you're talking about the stabilizer or the sway bar? Or the
Yeah, the sway bar.
Yeah, nah, me too. Like I don't see ain't nothing. No more than, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's
now
not.
at 65 with a trailer, could be a different story.
Right.
But we'll find that out.
I think it'll be fine.
Right, I agree. Sorry for the music here, Wawa, but it works. She's all good. Might be a little dark, but it's not leaking, which is good. It's exciting. It's dry, and she's back in action. So now most of the vehicles are fixed. Just got to fix Jesse's B series, but more importantly, tomorrow is track day. So we will see you guys first thing in the morning. We're excited. Thanks for watching. See ya.